YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Poloreem back with another banger for y'all today, man. If it ain't Polo fam, it's no fam. Y'all already know the lingo, man. As y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, I'm going car hunting today. I don't know what car I'm looking for. I'm really just going, I'm finna go look at some shit and see what I do want. Because I will be getting a new car and will be starting a car channel for y'all soon. So y'all let me know in the comments what type of car y'all think y'all could see me in. What type of car y'all think I could, give y'all the best content in. Yeah, like I said, I'm finna go look for a car, bro. Just look around, see what my interest is. I'm waiting on my mom and shit right now, so yeah. I'm gonna get to the dealership and I'm gonna bring the cam back out for y'all fall niggas. I'm just playing, I love y'all, man. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the dealership and I'm gonna bring the camera back out, man. I'm finna be on the way soon, waiting on my mom to come back, and then yeah, we're gonna get straight to it. If y'all like this video, be sure to smash that subscribe button, man, and the like button, bro. We're almost at 200 subs, but we at like 180 right now. We can hit 200 real soon, bro. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. Gang. All right, YouTube, we have made it to the dealer, man. Y'all say what's up to mom. Yeah. Like I said, I'm just looking around. I will be getting a new car very soon. Y'all drop in the comments and let me know what type of car y'all think I can get some good content in for y'all. Hold on, check out this Durango though. We're at a little basic dealership in the Haven. Mustang. We go Hemi, Durango. Ain't gonna lie, I'm fucked with this. No cap. Yeah, bro, it's hot. I'm about to take y'all back over here by the Challengers and Scat Packs and shit. Hey, you don't like Cherokees? You don't like Cherokees?
They nice though.
I need to take a thumbnail. I'm gonna get me a truck one day too, man. For real. Check this out. This is like some classic. Oh, this some bug. Oh, we go Hemi right here though. Who's sliding this? Y'all sliding this? Y'all sliding that bitch? Ain't gonna lie. Oh, he test riding and shit? It's hot. Well, I hope it ain't messing up my frames.
Are you able to test?
I might go bug.
Are you able to test drive?
Nah, we ain't doing that.
Huh?
We ain't doing that. This heat killing, GT. I don't know about no GT though. I gotta go to a better dealer for y'all boys.
This one just came in. Pretty sure this right here is, I think it's a GT.
Yeah.
Yeah, so check it out. This is a GT Plus. So it has some really nice features compared to the S60 and the base model, basically. It comes with a really nice color too. Comes with the hood scoop.
Yeah, this clean.
Yeah, this is nice. I don't know if this is sold or not. Oh, is this sold? I don't know what you guys do on there.
Yeah. Yeah, this hard. Oh, they got the peanut butter guts? No. This RT Hellcat. Let's see what's going on. That over there. That's clean. Yeah? Okay. Ooh, this wide body Hellcat. This gotta be 2023. Yo, this is sick. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all can see me in this? Hey, hold the camera. Ain't gonna lie.
Hold it.
I just went on. Nah, this OD. Tell, come on. Get closer. How y'all feeling, man? Let me get a thumb down right foot. Wide body Hellcat go crazy.
They getting the key.
Oh yeah, you finna get the key? You see this, bro? I might go right here. Y'all can see me pushing this. Ah, swing this thing. Yeah, man, they don't got too much out here, really, bro. A few base model things. This really the only car that kind of took my attention. A couple of the Scat Packs over there, but like I said, it's just a local dealer. I think he's grabbing the keys right now so we can look in the inside. How much you think this is right here? This is probably like 79,000. 79. I want to hear that engine. Where you at, Pablo?
I'm gonna represent and put them on now.
Yeah, Pablo. Sound like you know what? I don't want to touch it. No longer. I sound like you know what?
Oh,
Hey, y'all, shout out Lewis, man. Y'all want y'all a car, man? Y'all come get out Lewis.
Come see me, Dodge Winter Haven. I get you what you need.
Let me see the camera.
that thing nice. Is he not able to crank it up?
This bit hard, ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Is this a push start?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, when I say dream car, bro, we gonna get this, bro. I'm manifesting it right now. Yo, I'm literally sitting inside of my dream car. This is crazy. We put you some stars on the roof.
Bruh.
Tighter than what I thought, too. Crank it up. Y'all hear it, man. car, man. But I'm telling y'all right now, give me a few months and I will be driving this, bro. I'm claiming it right now. I will be driving this, man. It's a blessing to even be sitting in this car, man. Like I said, this is one of my dream cars. This is an accomplishment that I want to knock off my bucket list, man. Look, bro, we sitting in the SRT wide body Hellcat. What are we talking about? Jailbreak, yo. Jailbreak, man. That's it. I wonder if I can give it gas. I'm scared, though. They won't be making Hellcats and Chargers no more after this year. That's what they told me. I don't know why. They said they're not gonna make them no more. But yo, I got to get me one before they start making them. God. Imagine that bill with stars in the roof. I'm taking your bitch. I'm taking her. She's mine. Nah, I'm bullshitting. Yeah, bro. Shit, I don't even know what to say for real, man. Just know this finna be me in a little bit. Everything feels smooth in here. AC blowing too. Yo, they ain't ready, bro. Trust me, they ain't ready. They ain't ready.
The color that he's going for.
Oh, it's crazy. How much these go for? Or this one specifically? 80s.
This one is probably like.
Do y'all lease vehicles?
Yeah, we lease
How does
stuff
that work?
this won't lease good. We still be
Out the pocket.
so yeah, you lease it for like 2
That's crazy.
4 years. And after that, you have the option of buying it, have the remaining of the loan, at least you can turn it in, hand me the keys, go out the way, or you just trade it in for another one. The thing about that is, you know how you trade a car, and you got to see how much work, how much you still on it, the upside down, this, like equity. You don't have that on lease. When you're leasing, there's no negative equity.
That's what I was trying to tell you. That's good though.
You just go into another lease, whatever programs the lease are during that time.
Alright, bro.
Within the 3 to 4 years.
Hey man, this was a W trip to the dealership, bro. I really got my eyes on the prize. It might not specifically be this right here that y'all looking at, but I'm looking forward to buying me a Hellcat wide body, man. 2023. I'm gonna go to a few more dealers before I really, but this is what caught my attention here today at this dealership, bro. If y'all like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and smash that motherfucking I don't know button. Nah, bullshit. But smash that subscribe and like button, man. Stay tuned. If y'all want things like this, bro, y'all can get it, bro. If you could, like I said, bro, if you can touch it, you can have it. If you can touch it, you can have it, bro. We all can get what we want. We just gotta put our mind to it and go through with it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll catch y'all boys in the next video. We out. Gang.
Junkies on my phone, know I got that clientele. Plus, send them packs and I get them bitches through the mail.